In this section, we are going to learn problems related with the functions. Let us look at this 4 example f1, f2, f3 and f4. You have to give a comment that whether these are the examples of the function. Identify whether it is a function or not. If it is a function, you also add few more things that which type of this function is. Okay. Now, let us consider this function 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Every element has a distinct image. Means if you want to plot, this is an example of the function. For example, 1 will go to 2. Here from 2 if you are starting, then you are reaching at 3. 3 you are starting and then reaching at 4. 4 you are starting and then reaching at 5. This is an example of 1, 1 function. This is an example of 1, 1 function. Similarly, now suppose I want to get a pictorial form of that. A will go to B, C will go to B and D will go to B. All 3 elements are reaching at the same point. This is nothing but a constant function, the example of the constant function. If you are starting from A reaching at 1, if you are starting from B reaching at 2, if you are starting from 2 reaching at 1. Now see here, 2 images are coming to the one place. So this is nothing but many to one function, many to one function. One more example. 1 will go to 3, 2 will go to 4 and 1 will go to 5. Think about this. This is not a function. Reason being, this one is having 2 images. One is having 2 images. So this is a way of looking at the question. Means you can go with the pictorial form or write some few comments and conclude that whether the function is there and their identification. Next part, let us consider the function is given f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Then some question asked like this: what is f of 2? What does it mean? How we have did in a polynomial, you replace 2 here and get the answer. Another question is f of minus 1. Similarly, minus 1 can be replaced. Third question, I want f inverse of 4. This I am going to explain in the different way. Now look at f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. F of 2, 3 2 is 6, minus 5 is 1. F of minus 1, it will be minus 3 minus 5. Over here you will get minus 8. Now question arises, f of inverse of 4 is nothing but what? So what I have did, I have written that f inverse of 4 is nothing but say t. T is nothing, some value. I can take x also. Therefore, f of x is equal to 4. F of x. What does it mean? Over here, somewhere 4 is there. And question is asking about if you are starting from here, reaching at this place, what will be this image? What will be this image? So, this path I am following. F inverse of 4 is asked. So, in other way, f of x is equal to 4 I can say. What is the f of x given to us? F of x is given to us is 3x minus 5. So I can compare 3x minus 5 will be equal to 4. Something like this. Look at that. 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. And keep on simplifying. You will get the value of t or x. You can use any variable. It's nothing like that also. So the x value is getting 3. What does meaning that if you are starting with the 3, you will reach at 4. You will reach at 4. Okay. So this is a way of looking at the question. Do you want to see the things? The function which is taking you, it is nothing but 3x minus 5. So f of x I should say, you replace, you will get here it is t. So if it is inverse mapping is asked, so better way you can talk about first direct mapping and then get the solution. Next, there are 2 functions given to you. One is fx, another is gx. X plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x, another function 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. Now, the question demanding 2f1. 2 is a coefficient f1. What does it mean? You will be replacing 1 over here and getting some number. Minus 3 g2. Minus 3 will be as it is. G in this function I will be replacing 2. Look here. 2 as it is. In place of x I have putting 1 plus 3 5 minus 1. 1 over here is 2 into 1 is minus 3 as it is. G of 2, 4 as it is. Here 2 I have written. Therefore 6 is getting. 7 will be as it is. And 2 I am replacing here. I will get 8. Simplify this and you will get it is 98 by 3. So function concepts keep on adding like this. Take one more example. F of x equal to x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. What is f of 4? What we will do, simply we will replace 4 over here. So 4, this is 4, numerator will be 7, this is 8, it will be minus 3. So I can write minus 7 by 3 is the solution. In the same question, suppose I am asking what is f of t. Look at this. F of t means here I have replaced 4. So f of t will be nothing but t plus 3 upon 5 minus 2t. Next. Suppose I am asking what is f of 1 by x. What does it means? I always look at this function f of x. So x will be now 1 by x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2. Over here x can be replaced as 1 by x. Now if you go for LCM, LCM will be x will get cancelled. You will get 1 plus 3x upon 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2. Next. If it is asked f of x plus 3 upon 2 minus x, what does it means? In this function, everywhere x to be replaced by x plus 3 upon 2 minus x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2. Over here x plus 3 upon 2 minus x. Now you try to simplify this, take LCM in the numerator and denominator and see what is the solution. Just quickly work out at your end and then we'll cross check what the final answer is coming. Is it coming like this? Is it coming 9 minus 2x upon 4 minus 7x? To continue further, I am sharing few things more. Look here. The demand of the question is to find out the composition of the function f of g, g of f and like this also. Just one more time you write down these two functions in your notebook. F of x will be x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x and g of x is equal to 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. Now look here. First is finding f of gx. What does it mean? F of gx. Now what I am going to do, f I am keeping as it is, gx I am replacing. What is the value of gx which is known to you? It will be nothing but 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. 7 minus 4x. That is nothing but the value of gx. Now see the function f. Now function f is something like this. F of x equal to something, this x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. So over here what I can write now, it will be 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x plus 3. This whole is divided by 5 as it is minus 2 as it is. Here 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. I am just leaving this part. You will be simplifying and getting the answer for this one. Now g of fx. So g of fx can be written as g as it is. Fx. What is the value of fx? X plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. Now look at g. G function is nothing but 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. So it will be 4 plus 3 as it is. Over here x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x whole divided by 7 as it is 4. In this case here it will be written as x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. Again I am leaving this expression. You can just simplify and get the solution on that. Now f of f, it is meaning that f of fx will be equal to f over here x plus 3 5 minus 2x. In the same function we will be replacing this. So it will be x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x plus 3 whole is divided by 5 as it is 2. Here it is x plus 3. It will be 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. Now the last function is g of g. It means find out the g of gx. G will be as it is. Over here 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 3x. 7 minus 4x. In the g function we are replacing the same expression g of gx. Now it will be 4 as it is plus 3 over here 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. The whole is divided by 7 as it is minus 4. Here it is 4 plus 3x upon 7 minus 4x. If you simplify this, what is happening in all the cases, denominator, that means LCM will be common and that LCM will get cancelled and you will be getting the simplest form of this. Now question arises, what does it actually mean? That means there are two sets A and B, connecting path is say F. Another set is C present over here, which is connecting like this also. So if here, if any element is considered as X, it becomes over here Fx. And if you are operating on this, you will be getting G of Fx. This part is nothing but composition, G of F, G of F. Composition of the function. Composition of the function. Is it okay? So you can simplify this type of the sums, you will get the simplest form. Okay.